Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Ty with another new bullish crypto analysis. Let's dig in and take a look at perpetual futures. But before we do, just a reminder, if you like the video or my tweets, smash the like, ring my bell, hit subscribe, and leave some comments. I would appreciate it. Thank you so much. Let's dig in. This is Coinalyze perpetual futures using FTX price line here. What we this is a 4-hour chart. Lost my thought there for a second. 4-hour chart. Bitcoin's on top here, and this you can see that it's been climbing. Pretty fantastic there. Second row here is the aggregate open interest using stable coins. So it's been climbing. It took it a while, but it's climbing. And what's interesting here is that it's not decreasing. Prices move up significantly, and you would imagine that the shorts got liquidated, but nope. Open interest is still pretty high. We got some liquidation here, but open interest is still pretty high. Also down below, this is the open interest backed by coins like Bitcoin. And you can see for a while it was just going sideways. It finally went up. Look at that. So we have open interest building up, price going up, and down here this is the aggregated funding rate. That's the premium that right now, this is predicted, that what they're predicting is going to happen. Down here is what actually took place. So we had periods of positive funding, then it dropped negative, extreme negative here, and then went back up to positive. Right now, when it's positive, that means that the longs are paying the shorts. Longs are people that think the price is going to go up, paying the shorts. Shorts are the people that, investors or traders that think the price is going to go down or betting the price is going to go down. So right now, the longs are paying the shorts a premium to hold their positions, and with open interest going up here, and we have positive funding. This is not quite really positive, not extreme, but it's more neutral, positive neutral. But this, if this goes up higher as far as funding rate, that could signal a potential long liquidation. And we want to take a look at another chart that you guys like very much, but in a little bit. But I want to show you something else. This indicator here is the aggregate CVD for spot market. This is not for perpetual futures, but this is a combination of all the supply and demand for spot market. You notice it's been going up. Since April 2021, it's been going down, and it finally is, I've shown this before, it's picking up, but it's still going up. So that's really positive. Demand's coming back. I believe a lot of this is from the equities market, but there may be some FOMO coming in from retailers as well. So we'll see what happens. So that's really positive. Let's get out of this one. So just to summarize, price is going up. Open interest is going up for stable coin backed and also coin backed. So open interest is going up. Funding rate is going up slightly, more neutral. But if it continues some more, there'll be liquidations for the longs. I think there's going to be liquidation for the longs anyways. In order to liquidate the longs, price have to go down. And let me show you the other chart. This is High Block Capital's liquidation level chart. And I'll show you right now there's $13.4 billion in overage, which means that there's more high level, long liquidation levels than shorts by about $13.4 billion just on Binance alone. And what these levels right here, here's the current price, roughly around 46 something. Let me take a look at the heat map here. Here, heat map, 44.6. Yeah, it was way up here at 45.6 or something like that. 45.5, yeah. There was a lot of whale buying right here, propelled it all the way up here, and then some more whales sold it here. I dropped it back down here. We're going to see more of this coming up. So far it's been rising, but you're going to see more of the selling here to liquidate. So let's minimize this. We'll go back to this in a second. So all these long high-level liquidations here are just waiting. It hasn't happened yet, but it's just building up. Think about this. All these are like, for example, this one right here is 100x. This one right here, that's 25x. Like the orange ones are 50x. Nope, this orange one is 100x. This red one, I can't get it in there. There, red ones are 50x. So we have a lot, and they go back all the way back to here. So when price was rising here, it went all the way back here. It consolidated. They still haven't been liquidated. So all this. So what can happen here is some whales or smart money would take the opposite direction. So they would take a short position, then sell on the spot market, because spot and futures are connected. The pricing is sell on spot market, dump Bitcoin down. As Bitcoin comes down, well, first of all, they want to take a high leverage short position in perpetual futures. They do that, manipulate the spot market, drop it all the way down. Price they win on the perpetual future side on high leverage, and they could rebuy it back. That's building up. I keep saying this, it's a matter of when. I'm curious how much of it will go down though. So it'll be interesting. Right here, 36,000 is where we were before, right here. I mean, that's a massive amount of liquidation levels. Just waiting and waiting, waiting. This is not an if. This is when. When it's going to happen. Yep. It'll be exciting. It'll be fireworks. Get your popcorn ready. Let's dive into the heat map and just take a look at what's been happening here. Let's zoom out so you can see some buy walls, sell walls coming up here. So yeah, before we didn't have any sell walls, I'm not sure if you remember, I showed a bunch of these charts in the past. Yeah, I'm going to remove the CVD there. Yeah, now we have a buy wall at 50, a buy wall at 51, I'm sorry, these are sell walls. Sell walls at 50, 51, 52K. And there was a sell wall here to prevent the price from going up. After the price dropped slightly down, it thinned out a little bit. Right now, there's a giant sell wall up above, trying to prevent the price from going up. So there are people, and this just came in. This came in February the 7th around 4 a.m. These three walls up here. And down below, we don't have as many walls anymore, but we have some new ones that came in. We have one at 40, one at 38.4, 35, 35.4 or so. And these just came in. The one at 30 has been around for a long time. Some of these other walls here, they disappeared. You can see that it used to be really yellow right here, but then now it's more whitish. The warmer the color, the bigger the walls. Down below, this wall right here at 29, thinned out, was yellow, now it's white. And then we have this wall below that's also thinned out. It used to be more reddish orange, now it's more red, orange yellow at 28K, 25. I'm not going to go down further than that because until we drop further, it's not worth exploring. So that's what the heat map looks like. And you can see the pattern that's been moving here. Spoof walls up and down, on top and below. So far, the bulls have won. They have executed more buy orders here, big ones. Look at this, 452. This one, 1,358. So I strongly believe a lot of this money is coming from the stock market, especially in the tech sector. How long it's going to be here, we'll see. CPI print is going to come this Thursday, and we'll see how that works out. I think a lot of investors or companies are hedging against inflation. So CPI is predicted to come out at about 7.2. And so if it comes up higher than that, you probably see more buying on Bitcoin. But we'll see. There's a lot of variables playing in this volatile and uncertain market. So I wouldn't be surprised if we go up some more. I wouldn't be surprised if we go down back into the mid 30s or maybe even low 30s. Maybe a quick flash cash down and bounce back up. That's really what we need. We need a liquidation way down, like low 30s, high 20s, and then come back up and liquidate all the longs. As long as we have high leverage positions out there, they need to be liquidated first before we can have organic movements. But they always come back. it's how the market is. So with that, I appreciate your time here, and if you found value in this video and or the tweet that goes along with this, go ahead and smash the like, ring my bell, hit subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section, please. Thanks. Peace.